Jordan Brand is reviving the Trunner line, expanding its tech runner-inspired arsenal while tapping into nostalgia. The Trunner LX, first released in the early 2000s, is now reintroduced as a women's exclusive, a move that may surprise fans given its history as a versatile trainer and lifestyle sneaker. This latest version embraces bold femininity, featuring striking pink shades balanced with black details and reflective silver accents, making it an eye-catching release. While no official launch date has been announced, the pair will retail for $135 and will be available through Nike.com and select Jordan stockists. Alongside the Trunner LX, the recently introduced Trunner OS continues Jordan's push into dad shoe territory, signaling the brand's effort to blend heritage with evolving footwear trends. By prioritizing women in both archival and modern drops, Jumpman underscores its commitment to inclusivity in sneaker culture.